Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to archive email in Microsoft Outlook on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open this Outlook applications. And now in this page, if you want to archive the emails, you just have to choose the email first. I'm gonna choose these two emails for the example. I'm gonna tap and press, and now until we'll find here the checklist icon beside the email. And after, to archive it, here beside the trash icon we'll see an archive icon here guys. To archive it, you just have to tap on it. So the emails, there are no in this page anymore. So if you want to see it again, you just have to go to your account icon here at the top left, and we'll see here the option which is archive. Just go ahead and we'll see the emails that we archived before. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.